What's going on, guys? Investoreddy here, and I have some news from this article about how the stocks performed today. Treasury yields retreats as data hints of potential Fed pause. So the Fed has been going on about saying they might raise interest rates yet again, and they've been raising it for quite a while now. Lately of this year and any other more than from 2021 to 2022, they have been raising it like crazy. They do gotta do what they gotta do to fix this economy, because economy is basically in shambles, and that's their best bet. But we've been hoping to for lower, and I believe they did lower this year, not by much, but the Feds do what they got to do. And the job openings have been lower than estimated. They've been lower since, I believe, 2021. They've been lower. So a lot of people are not. The job market is slow. Even I've even heard like people trying to apply for like a normal job, like let's say like retail, anything. Let's say you want to be a manager. Let's say you want to start off working. Let's say you want to move up to like assistant manager. Maybe even like if you want to go district manager. If your job is good and qualified, if you do the good job really well, what you're doing. People have been struggling, and it's just tough out there right now with that. And the markets did move up, slightly because of this news, but we're still in this inflation economy. It's very rocky, so we'll have to see what happens in the next coming weeks to like a few months going into December and into 2024. Yeah, but people have been struggling to find work, and they won't hit you back up because they don't need people like the companies, big companies, Starbucks, McDonald's, Costco. It's just hard getting, trying to find a workaround to get make income, like the hourly, whether it's salary. Mostly a lot of people it's hourly, but if you can get into salary, that'd be great. It's a plus, more money. As people say in the old saying, more money, more problems. Not really problems, but like just more responsibility. And the job growth has been steady. The the investors want to see a better growth rate, not only on their investment, but like the companies that they're invested in, because they're invested in the millions of dollars in these companies, and they want to see a better return. And if you scroll down here, the all three major U.S. stock indexes ended in this session sharply higher, as investors look ahead to crucial economic data due later this week that could sway the Fed's reserve interest rate decision in the coming months. So that's basically it. They might slow down. No, sorry. They might put it as a pause. To think. The Feds are gonna think like, what can we do with this? Or the Feds could do a 180, and they could jump it again, which wouldn't be really good, because they've been doing that for quite a while. The economy is in slump, like I said. Job opening, and here's my answer that I was going to say. Job openings have been dropping lowest since March 2021. So since then, they've been dropping like flies, like crazy. And it's just, the economy has to do better before it can get anything done. And it says here the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 2,092.69 points, or 0.85% to 34,852.67. The S&P 500 gained 64.32 points and 1.45% to 4,497.63. And the Nasdaq composite, I believe, as they say, added 238.63 points, or 174 percent to 13,943.76. So even with this fears and every hard getting a job and price increase, the stock market is drastically going up. It just keeps going up, like nonstop. It's been going up since, let's see. It's been going up since, I think, for the past what 5 year, it's been going up like 200%, which is crazy, because even though there's always some negative news, there's always some bad, there's always this and that, the stock market likes this kind of stuff. I don't know if investors tend to invest more to get more on their investment, but I guess, the market moves how it moves. You can't really control or do something like that. But, with the jobs increasing, because I guess everything is just going crazy up, we gotta wait and see what could happen next. Hopefully we see a slowdown, and there's no what is it called, hyperinflation, because the last thing the news wants to put out there is that we're in a recession, we're in trouble, and then the news reacts, people freak out, and the news just tanks, and investors are panicking. They sell, even though they're up on their profit or investment, they start to panic, sell, and just gets all messy. So that's the last thing the news wants. But let me know what you guys think about this. I personally think we need to wait and see what happens. Yes, from now till 2024, the stock market will be choppy. There will be some red days, there will be some green, but the best thing you can do is just buy and hold. And it's not the end of the world, but if you're investing in good companies, blue chip companies, dividend companies that won't go bankrupt, you should be fine. If you're investing in companies that are less than $1 billion and you never heard of this company, I would just stay away and just go to better companies. But let me know what you guys think about this. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.